whimpering about? Huh? I was checking on the ducks, girl. What's the problem? What about him?
He was just trying to pick me.
He was trying to peck you? You better get away from my daughter, Rooster.
That's not the real mean one.
No?
No.
This farm life ain't no joke, Avalee. These roosters will be trying to peck you. How do you survive all this craziness?
One of the roosters, the one, you know, the one that was the red neck.
Yeah?
That's the real bad one.
What does he do?
He just pick every single what you want to pick.
It's not very nice. He probably doesn't have many friends. Do you think the other chickens like him? Hmm?
But they really like this feed.
All right, let's feed him.